Well, it's 5:41. Yesterday I put some cameras out over some scrapes, and as I was doing that, I looked behind me out in the field, and there was a nice shooter buck out there about 250 yards. So we're pretty excited about going out this morning. We'll see exactly what's happening. Little concern I have right now, it was a full moon last night, so it's going to be a shot in the dark. All you out there know the story about the full moon, so I'm hoping that if everything plans out the way it should be, hopefully he'll walk right by his scrapes where I'm sitting in my tree stand, and we'll take a poke at him today. And I'm kind of hoping that my Killer Instinct crossbow gets the job done, so we'll see what happens. We're up here to stand right now. We're overlooking this green, still green bean field. It's just starting to turn yellow right now. All the other fields around my woods right now has all been taken off all the beans. And this is the only standing beans right now that's green. Right behind me is a bedding area, and we're hunting a fence row right here where the scrapes are and stuff. Them little bucks are up here playing up the front there, where you walk out of the field. Just coming right towards me. Well, it's 8:40. Overlooking this green bean field behind the woods here. I'm set up on the back side of this woods in a tree stand. I saw 13 does, and hopefully I got that big buck on film. We'll find out. We got a coyote or possibly two out here running deer. So them deer are a little skittish right now. As you can see, they were going in and out of the woods, coming back out in the field to feed. came right through here somewhere. And right there she is. Big doe down. Nice blood right there. Blood. There she is. Flopped around a little bit. Got a real nice shot on her. You see the flies have already started to chew on her a little bit. It's pretty thick back in here, but good sized doe. And we'll have to get busy and get her out of here. Well, we went back to the truck and got changed and put on our tracking clothes, grabbed the four-wheeler and the backpack with the knives and cleaning gear, and we got ourselves a nice doe right here. Got a nice shot, as you can see. Pretty happy with it. We saw 16 doe this morning and a nice shooter buck, and I'm hoping I'll get a shot at him sometime this week. So we're pretty happy with what's going on, and I appreciate everything, and a nice successful hunt here.